How to create Shein account. Let's get started. First up, make sure you have already downloaded Shein app on a device. If not, you can head towards the App Store or Play Store, search for the app Shein and download it. Once completion of this download process, launch it. You'll land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of Me. Once you're on the Me page, at the top, you're gonna see the option of sign in or register. Click on that option. Now go ahead and type in the email address or phone number. Or also you can use these options to create your account, Google, Facebook or Apple ID. For this video, I'm gonna type in my email address. Once you are done, click on continue. Now go ahead and generate password for your account. After you type in the password, click on register. Now you can enter your phone number over here. With that, you're gonna get the verification code in the phone number. Type in that code over here and then click on submit. Or also you can skip this process. For this video, I'm gonna skip this process. Registration success. That your account will be created. So this was really simple and quick process. This way you can easily create your Shein account. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.